Hi, my name is Samantha Sufyan, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a proper dead bug. Dead bug is an excellent exercise that helps stabilize the core and teaches you how to engage your abs without putting any pressure on the lower back and actually protecting your lower back. The dead bug is a fantastic exercise to actually incorporate in all of your ab exercise while laying on your back. So you're going to find yourself on the ground with a mat. And from here, you're going to press your lower back completely against the floor. So what I did is, from this arch position, I brought my ribs down to the ground, pressing each and every vertebrae down to the mat. From here, once my abs are engaged, I'm going to lift my arms in front of me, packing the shoulders down and engaging my lats as well. And from this position, I'm going to lift one leg at a time, making sure that my lower back has not removed itself from the floor. And this is your standard dead bug. So in this position, you want to make sure that each and every vertebrae is down against the floor and that your back is not arching here, even just a little bit. So you want to master this position. If you feel like you can increase the intensity just a little bit, you're going to start to tap your heels one at a time very softly on the mat, alternating to make sure that you are not lifting your lower back from the mat. If this still feels a little too easy for you, you're going to take it one step further and extend both limbs at the same time. So taking my left arm and my left leg, I'm going to extend in either direction, again keeping my lower back against the floor, and then from here I'm going to bring it back and then repeat. So what I'm doing is I'm teaching my core proper stability and functionality. Try these at home with 3 different variations.